This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, health, or medical advice. Do I need optional equipment in an NEMT vehicle? So, you're an NEMT service provider with all the must-have equipment installed and available in your NEMT vans. But do you know that having optional equipment can help you go the extra mile and provide unparalleled services to patients using your service? If you're running a small operation, then your van will need a first aid kit. If you want to be ADA compliant, then add to the list a wide access door, lifts, wheelchairs, gurneys, walkers, etc. However, a van with optional equipment will allow your NEMT business to flourish and ensure the maximum convenience and safety of your customers. So, let us find out why you need optional equipment in your NEMT vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our content and updates. Let's roll! Benefits of optional equipment in NEMT vans and vehicles. You can divide optional equipment for NEMT vehicles into 7 different categories. Let us find out what they are and how they can be beneficial. Stretcher group. While an NEMT may have a basic stretcher and gurney, you can go for a more advanced combination version with a spine board and head separator. Other variants, such as a scoop or vacuum stretcher, can help you deal with various emergencies. First aid equipment. A basic first aid kit is must-have equipment for any NEMT vehicle. However, the more optional equipment you add to your kit, the better service you will be able to provide. For instance, you can add a portable or a wall-type blood pressure monitoring device. This can help you monitor a patient's blood pressure level in case of an emergency. A reanimation kit, along with a portable oxygen unit, can also help you ensure the safety of critical patients using your NEMT services. Medical devices. Having optional medical devices offers you a chance to save lives by providing instant medical attention in severe emergency cases. For example, installing an infusion pump in your NEMT can help deliver fluids to the patient's body. On the other hand, a transport ventilator can help you stabilize the patient and keep them breathing on the journey to the hospital. Other devices in this category include sugar measuring devices, syringe pumps, monitor defibrillators, etc. By smashing the like button, you're ensuring a constant flow of valuable NEMT content. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in the future in the comments section. Thanks for your feedback. Let's keep rolling. Stabilizer equipment. Stabilizer equipment allows you to ensure patient safety using various medical equipment. For example, you can use an inflatable splint, an inflatable limb-shaped plastic piece. A thorax draining set will help you drain any blood and other fluids from a patient's chest and prevent choking and suffocation. General medical supplies. These are general medical supplies that can come in handy in different circumstances. These include a burn set, a heat insulation container, a funeral bag, and an emergency birth set. Oxygen systems. You can use an oxygen tube bar, stationary vacuum system, and an oxygen system including a regulator, prize, flow meter, and moisture link. These optional devices can better equip your NEMT to save people's lives. Disposable material. While not precisely electrical equipment, having specific disposable material in your NEMT van will help provide better first aid and services to your patients. These include oxygen masks for adults and pediatrics, nasal oxygen cannulas for adults and children, suction catheters, urinary catheters, etc. Great NEMT service requires flawless management. However, a fully equipped NEMT vehicle is as effective as your back-end management. This is where NEMT software comes into the picture. RouteGenie is NEMT management software that will not only help streamline your business's internal as well as external services. From optimizing your schedule to making your documentation a paperless operation, you can optimize several operations. RouteGenie will allow you to streamline your billing and payments, selecting the right vehicles, ensuring on-time dispatch, route optimization, and monitoring drivers. Request a demo by following the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have more great videos like this one ready for your enjoyment. Just click the icons on the screen. See you soon.